Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is me Alima Sayyid, DZ2 from class 6th Green, and today I am going to deliver a presentation on the topic latitudes and longitudes. So let us get started. First of all, if we talk about globe, so a globe is a model of the planet Earth. It represents our Earth in its actual shape. We can see all the countries of the world in the correct shapes and proportionate sizes. Now, if we talk about the latitudes, which is the main point, so latitudes are the angular distance of a place north or south of the equator, or we can say that the imaginary lines that run horizontally across the globe are known as latitudes. Now, longitudes. Longitudes are angular distances of a place east or west of the prime meridian, or imaginary lines that run vertically from the north pole to the south pole are known as longitudes. If we talk about the equator, it is the 0 degree latitude which divides the earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Now, if we talk about the numbering of the parallels, the numbering of the parallels starts from the equator, which is located at the 0 degree. Parallels are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree. Parallels are drawn at the interval of 1 degree. There are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. Therefore, there are total 180 parallels. The parallels in the northern hemisphere are marked N, and in the southern hemisphere are marked S. Now, talking about the important parallels of latitude. So, first one from the top is Arctic Circle, that is located 66 1 by 2 or half degree north. Then is the Tropic of Cancer, 23 half degree north. Then is equator, that is on the 0 degree. Then Tropic of Capricorn, 23 half degree south. Antarctic Circle, 66 half degree south, and the north and the south pole in the top and bottom. If we talk about the heat zones of the earth, there are three major thermal zones into which our planet is divided. These are also known as heat zones. First is the torrid zone. It is between the two tropics, that is the Tropic of Cancer in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south. The sun's rays fall directly on this one zone. That's why this zone receives the maximum heat and is regarded as the hottest zone or hottest part of the earth. This is also known as the tropical zone or tropics of the earth. After that, there is the temperate zone. This area is between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north, and that between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the south. Here, the sun is never overhead; its rays are slanting, so enough heat does not reach there. So this zone is neither hot nor cold. This has a temperate or medium temperature or moderate temperature. Then if we talk about the frigid zone, it lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. These regions are permanently frozen because they receive extreme slanting rays of the sun. This zone is regarded as the coldest on the earth since the sun hardly rises above the horizon. It has 6 months of daylight and 6 months of night. Now, talking about the local time, the time of a place along the particular longitude is called as the local time. Now, prime meridian, the 0 degree meridian, which passes through the British Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London, also called the Greenwich Meridian. So this was all for today. Thank you so much. I hope you will like my presentation.